Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will price of gold is moving and how the price of gold can move tomorrow and day after. If you look at the gold chart, we can see a little bit of an uptrend. See, look at this chart. If we look at this chart, after making a certain low, the price of gold is continuously in up direction. Okay, and I have already suggested you that if the price of something has to go up, it will not go directly like this. It will go like this, hold for some time, or it can bounce back, or it can come down from here after hitting the resistance. Or what it can do, it will make a W pattern, then it can move up by the way of going up on the resistance. Okay, or it can come down. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding your gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. okay, or join my telegram channel, link in the description. Please watch the full video, then only you understand how it is working. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. See, look at this chart. Look at this chart. The after making a certain low by gold price, it is in uptrend. If you look at this, now the trend has changed, but we are talking about on for 5 days. Okay, but if we look at for 1 month chart, the price of gold was moving in this particular range. Now the price again came in this particular range. You getting me? After, see, this is a strong support. It break that level and came and made a new low. After that, what it did, it bounced back and now came in the same zone. So once this zone is break upside, okay, that is if 1746 is break upside and goes up, move up, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 755. Once 755 is touched and it stays above that level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1764 very soon. Okay, once 1764 is touched, okay, then what we can expect that it can touch a level of 1776. okay, after that it can touch a level of 1783. okay, and then 1794, then 1800 after this level. So okay, and why I'm telling you all this these points, okay, you have to understand something, that if you bought it at 1737, now the price is going 1749, so you are already in a profit of $12. Quantity may be XYZ. okay, but suppose if this $12 into your quantity, if it comes to 8 or if it comes to 9, then you have to exit the trade for the day. okay, so that as you know that it is, you are already in profit of $12. okay, and what your quantity, so once this comes down to 8 or 9, then you have to exit. You can take $20, no doubt, but the thing is that you have to save your capital and your profit in order to sustain in the market and to be a good trader. okay, this is what you have to understand. Now if the price of gold comes below 1733, okay, you can check my last video also. I have told the downside if the price of gold goes below 1733, then what are the resistance and what are the targets I've told you, but that is all my personal view. See, look at this. If the price of gold goes below 1733, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1727. okay, once 1727 is touched, then we can see a level of 1721. okay, once 1721 is touched, and if it stays below this level 5-10 minutes, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1714. okay, but after 1714, the next target we can see is around 1707. okay, but what you have to understand, suppose you sold at this position 1714, but you should always have a stop loss of 1716. okay, so that once you are in a profit of suppose 1720, so you can exit with 1714 your stop loss. okay, you keep trailing your stop loss. That is how you can be a good trader, and you'll be learning. You can make profit from all these trades. okay, once 1712 is achieved, then we can see, then 1707 is our next target, and then 1700. Okay, once 1700 is touched, then we are close to the low, that is around 1675. Okay, once 1700 is achieved, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1698. Then we can see that it can touch a level of 1688. Okay, once 98 is touched, and then we can expect that it can touch its all-time high, all-time low, since all the 1 year. Okay, this is 1678 is the low, and then if it breaks this low, because once it is tested, okay, if it comes again, there is high probability that it can go and make a new low. It can come down to 1650 also, but what we have to wait for that it comes below this level, come down this level, and then we can increase the quantity once this is break. So this is for the gold, and hope you like the video. And if you have any doubt, you can mail me. And hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you if you want me to make a new videos on Bitcoin, and so please comment in the description, then I can make new videos on it. And thank you.